Hi class, today I'll be summarizing Chapter 3, Supply and Demand. We start by saying that supply and demand is perhaps one of the most fundamental concepts of economics and is the backbone of a market economy. The three key points I will illustrate are law of demand, law of supply, and equilibrium price and quantity. The law of demand says with other things being equal, individuals will purchase fewer units of a good at a higher price and will purchase more units at a lower price. We learned in this chapter to distinguish between changes in demand and changes in quantity demanded. The demand schedule shows quantities purchased at possible prices. Graphically, the demand schedule is a downward sloping demand curve, which means a change in the price generates a change in quantity demanded, and that is shown as a movement along the demand curve. The ceteris paribus conditions include income, tastes and preferences, the prices of related goods, expectations, and market size, which is the number of potential buyers. The law of supply states that sellers will produce and offer for sale more units of a good at a higher price, and they'll produce and offer for sale fewer units of the good at a lower price. To distinguish between changes in supply and changes in quantity supplied, we illustrate how the supply schedule shows quantities produced and then sold at various price points. The ceteris paribus conditions include input prices, technology and productivity, taxes and subsidies, price expectations, and number of sellers in the marketplace. To understand how the interaction of demand and supply determines the equilibrium price and quantity, we look for the intersection point of the demand and supply curves. At this intersection point, the quantity demanded by buyers of the good just equals the quantity supplied by sellers. So there's not an excess quantity of the good supplied, surplus, nor an excess quantity of the good demanded, shortage. And that is a summary of Chapter 3.